I save more by traveling full time.
And I have 6 homes, but other people pay me to live in them. So I'm not homeless. He goes, "Are you couch surfing?" And I'm like, "No, Dad, I'm not couch surfing. I'm at the JW Marriott today." Right. So I have a different life than many people. And it's very interesting because I don't have a home base that I come back to. And I travel a lot. So when people say travel is expensive, I think in terms of how much money I saved by not having a 6 bedroom house in San Diego and a mortgage on that, and a guy that did the lawn and a guy that did the pool and the maid and it's like all this stuff and the electricity and the lights and the gas and the internet. And when I travel full time, all that's included. It's all included. I actually save a lot of money by traveling full time. Like traveling saves me money. But I said, I started telling myself that the more I travel, the more money I make. The more I travel, the more money I make.